Hey guys, okay. I wanted to do a quick video on this because I want to show you inside Dough where I put my scripts, how I apply people to it. I figured this would be really helpful, and then I can show you where to put the code that I'm going to send you into your Dough, and then you can receive all of my scripts and my systems that I've set up. For those of you who don't have Dough, I can just copy and paste and send them your way. So I wanted to show you really quick. I figured that would be most helpful, and then probably most helpful for my team as well. So I need to do the video anyway. So the only way I know how to do this is to turn my computer around, and I'm going to hold my phone and show you where everything is. So let's do this. I'm just going to make sure. Sorry if you get a shot up my nose. I'm just going to make sure you can see my phone, and I'm going to turn this way. Hold on. Here we go. I think that that's better. There we go. Okay, I had to get myself oriented. All right. So inside Dough, you're going to see it looks just like this. Here are my task series. So these are the ones that I've built. Here's my Curious About Business brand ambassadors. Here's my 5 steps. What I do is I just put a person in here. I'm going to use my brother as an example. Yes, my brother is Alan Jackson, not the Alan Jackson, but you put in their name, you put in when the date you want it to start. So let's say today, then you hit apply, and this will automatically pop up. Here's what it's going to look like. When you go into contacts, there he is. It will apply it to him just like that. So I have applied the new ambassador, and I'm behind on a couple of these, as you can see, but it's nice that they keep them in there. The reminders stay in there, and I can just pop in and be like, okay, I got to send him my day 3 reminder. And, oh, sorry, I hit script. I can either text it or message it. I text it. Here it is all set up. I just click next, and then I can make any adjustments I need and send it on. So let's go back down here to systems. So in task series, you've got all these series set up. Here is for my Curious Business ambassadors, curious about the business. And I want to show you guys each one of these steps. You can go here and edit, and you can edit this step. And this is the key here. So when you're creating a task, you have this option to put in a script, but you have to build the script first. So before you create the task series, the system, you have to create that script that you want there. So you go into scripts, and here's all my scripts that I've been building. So here's my YPlexis script, and that's for my Curious Business builders. So YPlexis, here's my very first script that I send. This YouTube link goes to the video that I did. You can edit it, you can copy the message and send it on its way. So then YPlexis 2, here's the next one. I did the Dr. Logan video and the stories video. I just think that both of those are really great. That's for step 2. And I send these like every 2 or 3 days in a row. It mixes everything up because it stores your scripts in the order of the last thing that you edited. So the last thing I edited was my YPlexis script because I had a typo in here, my YPlexis 4. So that's why it's at the top. So anyway, you build your scripts just like this. And once your scripts are built, then you can go into your task series, and you're going to add a new task. You're going to name it for whatever task you want it to be, add your description, and then you're going to start adding those tasks in there. And when you add, let me just go in here to one that's already built. You can add the task down here, and you call it, day 5 or day 6 or whatever. Then you can add the script, and that script will, once you select add script, it takes you right to the scripts, and then you can put in what you want. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that really quick because I figure this will be helpful. And then what I do is I can share it, and I can give you this, I can copy the code, and then you can plug in the code right here. Hey, do you have an access code? Heck yeah. And you stick it in there and you submit it, and you'll receive all of my scripts and task series and what I do, what I've got set up. It's kind of changing constantly right now because I'm kind of like figuring out my systems more and more, but hopefully this is helpful. All right, let me turn this around. Hold on. Okay. Ah. So hopefully that was helpful, and I will post this so you guys can see it. And then for those of you who don't have dough, I can copy and paste and send them your way. All right, guys.